Welcome to our Wellness to Go series, where we bring you accessible and engaging activities to enhance your overall well-being. Today, we're diving into Occupational Wellness with a creative and purposeful DIY project, creating your own career vision board. This activity combines creativity with professional aspirations. Let's take a look at the materials that you're going to need. In the kit, you will find 1 piece of cardstock, a list of inspirational quotes, 1 magazine, stickers, a list of websites with various resources for photos and examples, a vision board example, and stamps. Additional materials that are required include scissors, pens, pencil crayons, or markers, and glue. Now that we know what we need, let's get started. First, grab your materials and picture how you want your vision board to look. I found additional pictures on Pinterest that I cut out. Arrange everything you want to add to your vision board, like stickers, magazine cutouts, anything that inspires your dream job. Once you're happy with the layout, glue down each element securely. Your vision board is unique to you. There is no wrong way to design it. After you've added everything you want to your vision board, set it aside to dry. Once your vision board has dried, place it somewhere noticeable, like an office or a bedroom where you'll see it daily for inspiration. Now that you've created your career vision board, let's explore some tips and variations to help you stay inspired and motivated. Actual steps. Include actionable steps or mini goals on your vision board that will help you progress towards your career objectives. This could include courses to take, certifications to obtain, or networking events to attend. Review and update. Regularly review and update your career vision board as your goals evolve and achievements are made. Celebrate successes and adjust plans as needed. Digital elements. Consider creating a digital version of your career vision board using online tools or apps, allowing for easy updates and access from anywhere. Vision board presentation. Present your vision board to a mentor, career coach, or trusted colleague for feedback and advice on refining your career goals and strategies. Collaborative activity. Invite friends, classmates, or colleagues to create their own career vision boards alongside you. Share ideas, support each other's goals, and offer constructive feedback. And finally, career reflection. Use your vision board as a tool for career reflection and self-assessment. Periodically revisit your goals and progress to ensure alignment with your professional aspirations. With these tips and variations, your career vision board can become a powerful tool in your occupational wellness journey. And keep in mind, no career journey is linear. Congratulations on creating your DIY career vision board. If you've already crafted your vision board following our instructions, we'd love to hear how it's going. Share in the comments below. What was your career goal? How did creating a visual representation of your career aspirations impact your motivation and clarity? And lastly, any tips for others starting their career journey? Your professional journey can inspire others to focus on their dream careers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Wellness to Go activities. There's a new one every month, so stay tuned. Explore more on-campus resources and activities to enhance your occupational wellness in the video description.